Hey there! Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to build a MongoDB admin panel with JetAdmin. By the time we're done, you'll have a fully functional admin panel to view, manage, and analyze your data with ease. We'll cover how to display tables, dive into detailed views, and even create charts to get those insights you're looking for. Let's get started. To start, let's add MongoDB as our data resource. To do this, simply go to the Data Source section, click on Add Resource, and select MongoDB. Here, you'll need to enter your connection string and database name. Be sure to update the connection string with the correct credentials, including your password. Once your connection string is set, click on Test Connection to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, you'll be able to proceed. Next, choose the tables you'd like to import into JetAdmin, making it easy to get started with your MongoDB data. With our data imported, you'll see all the MongoDB tables displayed here in JetAdmin. Let's take a quick look at some sample data. You can also apply filters to narrow down your data. Simply click Filter and choose the column you would like to filter. JetAdmin even supports nested filtering, allowing you to create more complex filters when needed. To remove a filter, simply click Delete. Sorting is also straightforward. Click on any column header to sort data in ascending or descending order. To remove sorting, simply click Delete Sort. You can also apply sorting from the button at the top. Just choose the column you'd like to sort. To remove it, use the Delete Sort button. If you need to bring in new data or export current data, JetAdmin supports both importing and exporting. You can choose the rows you'd like to export, and then click Export. Or if you'd like to export the entire table, click Export at the top. Here, you can select the format you want to export and click Export. To perform deeper analysis, you can use aggregations like lookups and rollups. These allow you to create computed columns and extract key metrics from your data. You can also use computed columns let you create new values based on existing data. For example, you could calculate total revenue for each order by multiplying quantity by price. JetAdmin allows for full CRUD operations, including deleting items. Simply select the rows you'd like to delete and click the Delete button. To update an item, simply click on the field, make the changes. You can also add new records directly within JetAdmin by entering data into each field and saving the new item. Click New Record, provide the required data, and then click Create. JetAdmin's Data API feature allows you to perform CRUD operations indirectly through API calls, giving you more flexibility for external integrations. If you'd like to change the data type of a column, simply click the column and select the Edit Field option. Then, choose the data type you want. In this case, I'll choose Select as the data type. Here, you can load options by selecting the data source and choosing the label and its value. This will load all available options in the column. Now, the column data type will be set to Select, and you can specify data by choosing from the options. You can use our ready-to-use templates, or start from scratch by choosing blank. On the right side, you will see a list of components. Let's drag and drop a few components to visualize our data. Let's start with a table. Here we can choose our data source. Let's also add a few charts. You can configure them accordingly. Let's duplicate the chart. And change its type. We can also add a filter component and bind it with the table. Choose the column we would like to filter. Let's check if it is filtering. It looks like we are good here. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to quickly set up and use JetAdmin as a MongoDB client for managing and visualizing your data. Get started today and make data management easier.